From grain to glory, the transformation begins at the mixing bowl.
First, the wash, removing field dirt while preserving delicate skins. Machine vision sees what humans cannot, sorting 15 tomatoes per second. Size consistency ensures uniform sauce texture and even cooking.
Peppers stripped and cleaned, stems out, flavor in.
Mushrooms too delicate for machines. Human hands still reign supreme.
Controlled thawing prevents bacteria. Precision from freezer to grinder.
Government inspection. Every batch verified before grinding begins.
Preparation for grinding. Size matters for consistent texture and fat distribution.
Onions peeled by air pressure. No blades, no waste, no tears.
Quarter-inch dice, machine perfect, consistency in every pizza bite.
Mozzarella, the star ingredient, inspected with obsessive precision.
Shredded fresh daily. Moisture and melt properties preserved until assembly.
Flour sifted twice, eliminating clumps that would compromise dough texture.
Secret spice ratios, proprietary blends that define signature flavor.
Precision to the gram. Industrial baking demands scientific accuracy.
Every liquid ingredient filtered and measured. Readiness for rapid production.
All elements cleaned, sorted, staged. The assembly ballet is about to begin.
It begins with flour and water. Ancient ingredients meeting modern precision.
10 minutes of mechanical kneading, developing the gluten network that creates structure.
78. Temperature critical, too warm breeds bacteria, too cold stops fermentation. 200 pounds divided into perfect portions, each destined to become 50 pizzas.
Into the proof box, where time and temperature coax yeast to life.
Tomatoes cooked until cell walls collapse, releasing concentrated flavor.
Milled smooth, only pure tomato essence continues forward.
Seasoned with tradition. Recipes refined over decades of daily production.
Science meets taste. pH balanced for safety. Flavor adjusted for perfection.
Rapid cooling locks in flavor, preventing bacterial growth, preserving freshness. Fresh ground. Texture and fat distribution controlled for perfect browning.
Italian sausage crafted here. Spices balanced for that signature fennel note.
Browned in bulk, caramelization, building flavor through Maillard reaction. Fat drained, flavor retained, ready for the moment assembly calls.
Sliced to specification, thickness calculated for cooking time and texture.
Mushrooms sliced fresh. Oxidation begins immediately. Timing becomes critical.
45 minutes transformed. Yeast consumed sugars, creating air and flavor.
Divided and rounded, each ball a canvas awaiting transformation into crust.
Pressed in seconds, pneumatic precision, creating uniform thickness from center to edge. Docked to perfection, preventing air pockets that would create uneven cooking.
6 ounces of sauce, spread by algorithm, consistent across 10,000 pizzas. 8 ounces of mozzarella, shredded fresh, measured precisely, covering edge to edge. Human precision for toppings, decades of muscle memory in every placement.
Assembly choreography. 5 workers, 12 seconds, 1 perfect supreme pizza.
The final eye before heat. Imperfection caught here saves waste after baking.
Into the inferno. 7 minutes at 555 degrees.
Maillard reaction in motion. Sugars and proteins creating flavor through heat. Emergence transformed. Raw ingredients now unified through fire. Quality control never rests. Even perfection requires verification. Controlled cooling prevents condensation, enemy of crispy crust and packaging. A point of no return. Only perfect pizzas enter the freeze. The deep freeze, 40 below zero, halts all biological activity instantly.
30 minutes in Arctic conditions. Freezing so fast, ice crystals stay microscopic.
Frozen to the core, time stopped, waiting for resurrection in consumer ovens.
Temperature verified. 0 degrees ensures 6-month shelf stability.
From kitchen to consumer, the final mile begins with careful packaging.
Robotic precision, placement accuracy, impossible for human hands to match.
Food-safe film engineered to prevent freezer burn for 6 months. Oxygen removed, oxidation prevented, freshness sealed in time. Sealed at 350 degrees, creating molecular bond in film. Zero waste philosophy. Every trim recycled back into film production. Every pizza tracked, from production second to store shelf to consumer home. Checkweigher never sleeps. Federal regulations demand weight accuracy.
Metal detection, protecting consumers from broken blade fragments or contaminants. Robotic loading eliminates human repetitive strain. 300 placements per hour per robot.
Machine vision, seeing microscopic flaws invisible to human inspectors. Accumulation logic, organizing chaos into shippable units. Case packed, 12 pizzas united for their journey to distribution.
Every case coded. Traceability, from ingredient batch to store shelf.
720 pizzas per pallet, ready for continental distribution. Wrapped and secured, this load now survives forklift handling and truck transport.
Looks good.
Pallet labeled, warehouse scanners will track this through supply chain.
Final verification, this pallet represents $12,000 of finished product. To the freezer, where product awaits its call to the marketplace. Freezer warehouse, football field sized, maintaining 20 below zero constantly. 10,000 pallets in storage, 7 million pizzas waiting for distribution orders. Digital nervous system, every pallet location known, every movement tracked. Order fulfillment, picking exact pallets for specific customers and routes. Staging precision,
Pallets organized for first in, last out truck loading logic. Reefer trailer, pre-cooled to 0 degrees, ready to maintain cold chain.
Okay, bring it left. Easy now, settle it down.
Load optimization. 26 pallets per trailer, arranged by delivery sequence.
Secured for highway. Department of Transportation regulations strictly enforced.
Documentation complete. Legal transfer of 7-figure cargo to carrier.
Temperature monitoring. Continuous recording protects product and liability.
Continuous flow. 16 trucks loaded daily, feeding America's hunger.
Delivery begins. Each truck, a cold chain link connecting factory to freezer aisle.
Behind quality stands science, the laboratory where standards are verified.
Protein content critical, too low, and crust lacks structure. Too high becomes tough.
pH 4.2 verified. Brix level 28 approved. Tomatoes tested for acidity, color.
Melt profile tested, ensuring cheese browns without burning or separating.
Microbial testing, ensuring product safety through bacterial monitoring.
48-hour incubation. Growth means investigation. Clear means safety.
Consumer simulation. Baking as our customers will. Verifying package instructions.
Human senses the final judge. Trained pallets, ensuring our standards met.
Texture measured objectively, removing subjectivity from quality assessment. Legal metrology. Scales calibrated to standards traceable to national laboratories.
Seal integrity testing, ensuring 6-month shelf life claimed on package.
Nutrition facts verified. FDA regulations require laboratory confirmation.
Temperature mapping, proving every warehouse location maintains proper freeze.
Shelf life studies. Science determining the 6-month guarantee on packages.
Data drives improvement. Every test result building knowledge for perfection.
Documentation fortress, proving compliance to FDA, USDA, and state regulators.
Quality never finishes. Every day brings opportunity to improve beyond yesterday.
Full throttle. 1,000 pizzas per hour through packaging. Bound for America.
Materials management, ensuring line never stops waiting for packaging supplies.
Boxes made on demand, eliminating storage needs. Custom printed with branding.
Variable data printing, each label unique with production-specific information. 15-minute changeover, flexibility to produce 20 varieties on one line. Vertical storage, utilizing space from floor to 40 feet up, maximum capacity. Digital warehouse, real-time inventory accuracy, enabling just-in-time delivery.
Custom orders, building mixed loads matching each customer's specific needs.
Dispatch coordination, timing trucks to delivery schedules across the continent.
Load verification. Supervisor signature guarantees accuracy before departure.
Tamper evidence seal. Broken seal at destination would trigger investigation.
Driver's responsibility. $900,000 of cargo under their care.
Rolling cold, maintaining 0 degrees across thousands of highway miles.
Daily fleet, 16 trucks radiating across 12 states every morning. Distribution hub, consolidating with other products for final delivery to stores. Final mile complete, from factory floor to store freezer in under 48 hours.
And this is how modern factories produce frozen pizzas from start to finish.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns, where industrial precision meets everyday life.